welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video base is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewer, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewers, today we are going to also discuss about Phantom Wallet, and in this video we are going to create a multiple accounts in Phantom Wallet. So please must watch this video till end. This video is going to be very informative for you. Before going to start this video, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. If you need to get the same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So viewers, if you need to secure your account from the scammer or hacker, and you want to also not share your final balance, so please must watch this video till end. This video is very informative for you. In last video we have discussed about Phantom Wallet. If you have not watched, simple go to my YouTube channel and watch all videos. So let's start our video. You can see here, right top corner, I have the Phantom wallet, which is I have installed already. Right top corner, you can see here, I just simple click on it, and after that I'm going to enter the password. After enter my password, you must apply a strong password like your bank account, because your wallet is very necessary for you if you have a balance. Simple click on unlock. Now my wallet is open in front of me, and you can see here I have this time only one account, and the account name is account number 1. And if I need to create a multiple account, so what will I do? This is so simple and easy. I just simple click on 3 lines, your left side right corner. You can see here there's shown the plus button. If you need to create a multiple account, so simple click on plus button, and you can select the first option, create a new account. When you click on create a new account, you can see account number 2 is shown here. You can also change the name. It's depend on you. Let's suppose you can write here any name, Ethereum wallet, Bitcoin wallet. It's depend on you. You can easily rename this wallet name. Simple create, and you can see here this time I'm using wallet number 2. And let's suppose you want to create a multiple accounts like that. Simple again click on plus button, create account, wallet number 3, simple create. Again click plus button, create account, wallet number 4. Again click on button, click plus button, create a new account. You can see here account number 5. You have created only means you have create multiple account on this wallet, but before going to create account, yeah, or after create account, you must keep in your mind, you must take the all back of all phrases or all private key your all wallet. So let's suppose this is my wallet number 5. If I'm going to click on it and go to the manage account, second option, you can see the second, third, 4 and 5 number account, all accounts I have created this time. Let's suppose I'm going to use the third wallet, so simple click on it, and you can see here they show your secret phrases and show your private key. I just simple click on secret phrases, enter the password. This is necessary for me if I need to, or if I create to multiple account. Sometimes you need to restore, so you must have your phrases. So you can see here this is all phrases of my account. I just simple take the screenshot or open the notepad file. Simple click on notepad file, and you can simple one by one copy. Just simple copy and paste here. Also write the name here, wallet number 3, and paste here 1 number, 2 number, onward you can write 12 word phrases on here. So one by one, so I just simple write two phrases here only for your information, and after that you enter your write all your phrases, then you can cross check your phrase is correct or not, otherwise you can't recover your account. So I'm going to click on back or done, and then I will get the private key of this wallet. Simple clicking show private key, again enter the password. You can see here your private key is only way to recover your wallet, do not to let anyone. So I'm going to enter my password again, and you can see here I have entered my password. Simple click on I will not share my private key with anyone including Phantom. Simple click on next. You can see here I have four wallets on this wallet number 3: Solana, Ethereum, Polygon, and Bitcoin. If you have phrases, then very easy for you to recover your wallet, and you also get the private key. This is also very easy. Let's suppose you want to only import your Ethereum wallet, not our whole wallet. So you just simple find the private key of Ethereum. Let's simple click on it. You can see here copy, open the notepad file where you save your alt phrases, and simple type here ETH private key and paste here. You can see here wallet number 3 all phrases. First of all, you note down here. Second, all private key which is what you have created, it's depend on you, and then separate with double dash. And now go to the next wallet which is you have created, like wallet number 5 6, it's depend on you. Let's suppose 4 number. You can use same scenario. First you need to find your all phrases, and after that you will find your private. You can see here next. So all phrases is shown here. You just simple copy and paste here your notepad file. Okay, and also you can find your private key. So all information write down in your notepad file, and then after stop this video I will print out this notepad file, and also I will write this private key and also phrases in my personal diary and make the multiples copy, because sometimes my laptop window will be corrupted, so this information will not recovered. If I save in other ways, so I will find all information and I will restore or change my password. So well, I hope you properly understand how can you create a multiple wallet in your OKX wallet. This is so simple and easy. If you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me. My email address cryptowalletsinfo, and you can also comments below this video. I must read your comments and I hope I will resolve your problem. You can also watch all videos from my YouTube channel. Simple click on video portion. Then you can see here all videos shown here about Phantom wallet and also OKX wallet, and many wallets is available already review in this YouTube channel. So I'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.